Hi guys, how we doing? And in this video we're going to be looking at the Lightning to USB 3 camera reader hub. Now if you've got an iPad, which I have back here, let's just take the cover off. And also if you have an iPhone, which I've also got, since iOS 13 I believe you've been able to use the Files app to basically bring in files from SD cards, USB hard drives. Now if you was to buy the official Apple Lightning camera USB connector and also the card reader, because this one has a little card reader in it, which we'll be looking at in a bit, you'll be looking around £70 all in to get that functionality. With this all-in-one, if you like, it's £16, which is a great little deal. So what we'll do first, we'll just have a quick look at the box. It's pretty basic. You've got a picture of the hub on top there, and on the back it has a list of devices that it's compatible with. Now I would imagine, I've not tried it on the iPad Air 1, but I think it's the iPad Air 2 and above that support iOS 13. So it says, overview with the Lightning to USB 3 card reader hub. It's easy to transfer photos and videos from your high resolution digital camera to your iPhone stroke iPad. Support connect USB peripherals like hubs, Ethernet adapters, audio, MIDI interface and card readers for compact flash, SD, micro SD and more. Now I have used a USB mic, it's my Blue Yeti, that works fine, that comes up as a microphone, and I've also used a little micro SD card there, that works fine, and I've used my USB stick and that works fine as well. Let's just get it in the shot. There's the box as we saw before, and on the back of the box all the devices there. It says iPhone 6, 6S, 6S or 6 Plus, brought all the S's. But I think it's only iOS 13 and above. But and there's the actual adapter itself. So we've got 3 USB 3 connectors. We've got an SD card and micro SD, and we've also got another Lightning port which you can use as a power connector. So you can plug your Lightning connector back in there and get power through to your device whilst you're using it. So let's just click back through to here again. So what we're going to do is we'll get rid of the box. We'll get into our iPad. Excuse me while I just put my code in. And we go through to the Files app. Okay, so I don't know where you can see that, but it's got, let's turn it this way, it might be a touch easier. So, there we go. So I'm mainly concentrating on this section here. We've got iCloud Drive on my iPad, recently deleted. So we're going to take the adapter and we're going to plug it into the Lightning port. And then we're going to get my SD card and we're going to plug it in that way. There we go. User error, folks. So now we've got EOS Digital pops up, showing up as a little hard drive. Let's just click back to my little camera there, and there we go, EOS Digital. Okay, so if we click on that, and we're now through. Let's just move that across to one side slightly, go back to the main. So if we click on the DCM, the Canon. Okay, so it's going to load photos. Okay, so that's now a photo that's on my SD card on the screen there. So what I can now do, save image. Hang on. Sorry, my mistake. Save to files. And then it asks you where you want it putting on there. So on my iPad. Okay, so it's going to be classed or saved as image 0300. Yeah, I can all see that. Lovely jubbly. Save that. Done. So we go back to on my iPad. And there's our image that we've just saved off the SD card. Fairly simple. Nice little tool there. So you can also now, if I just pull out my SD card, you noticed it's disappeared from the side. Are we wanting to focus? What's going on? There we go. Had a paddy for a second there. So now my USB stick, I'm going to plug into, oh, excuse me, one of the USB there. So again, we'll just pop onto the other camera. So as you can see there now, we've got my USB stick into the adapter, into the iPad. And if we go across, we've got Untitled. Okay, so if I click on there, we've got the files that are on there. Okay, so let's just flip back to the main screen. Okay, so what we're going to do now is click on the little video file. Hang on, let's just get it. That's quite a big video file, thinking about it. Not big. Yeah, that's 1.1 gigs. Go to this one. 305 megabyte mark. I'll do it a little bit quicker. Okay. So this is footage of me playing Fortnite. Just a little snippet of me hiding in a snowman. As you've got to. Snowman memes. So if I press play there. So that's now playing off the actual USB stick. Okay, which is pretty cool. So again, we can pause that. There's the controls. They're at the top. Pause. Done. So I can actually start again. Select that and save to files. And then we can save. So that's a 300 and something megabytes. So it's quite a large file. So I think you've got an idea what you can do with this now. You can actually take photos. Done. So if I now get rid of the USB stick. go to on my iPad, and there it is. There's a video we've just taken off the USB stick. So as you can see there, we've taken a photo off an SD card. You'll be able to take obviously a movie off an SD card if you've been recording video on a camera or something like that. And the same with USB stick. You can also, and you should be able to, on my iPad. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll plug this USB stick back in and we'll transfer okay. So this now, that's the photo we transferred off the SD card. We'll now how do I move that now? Copy. So copy, paste. So yeah, simple as a copy and paste, and I've transferred that onto my USB stick, which then you can transfer to your PC, Mac, whatever. And that's basically what we're going to be looking at. As like I say, it's £16 rather than best part of £70 if you bought the individual items to do the same thing. The official Apple adapters. So there you go, guys, just a little look at that. If you've got any questions or anything else you need to know about it, just get in touch, leave a comment, and we'll get back to you. And apart from that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.